Nih,
Apa Friday? Tembak kamu itu lah, singkang am tas ni.
Wah. Tadi kau ayam sok plum. Bat miah ong, bisa ong, balak khai miah por sok plum. Tadi sekah cung miah.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but 6% ka Jingïada. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
We will not accept. Well, I'm very clear. Loud and clear. So very loud and clear. Last year, the 144 CRPC has been imposed only for the Pagaf. This year we will not accept. Am I right or wrong?
See, from Meghalaya police side, our job is to ensure that the safety and security of our farmers is maintained at any cost. So we are working towards that. We will ensure you that let us go back to our village and start our farming from tomorrow.
Tomorrow itself.
Yes, sir. So I would request all of you who are here that let us go back. You have already spent a lot of time here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And government has listened to all your demands. Necessary instructions have been issued to us. So I would request all of you to let us go back and start our work in field from tomorrow morning. Thank you.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.